Welcome to Broadland Consultants, the home of independent mortgage and financial advice. Now, there is so much to see inside, so to find out more, follow me and we'll go and meet some of the team.
I'm Simon Gilvey, I'm the owner of Broadland Consultants. Broadland Consultants is one of Norfolk's leading independent mortgage and financial advice firms. Elsham is very central for the county, so we'll go cover clients as far as Kings Lynn, Burnham Market, Hunstanton, Holt, and then obviously Norwich, far south there's Bungay and Beccles.
Now, one of the hardest parts about starting the baffling process of obtaining a mortgage has got to be finding the best deal, or if indeed you know if you're looking in the right place. But don't worry, Broadland have got you covered.
Broadland Consultants is a true whole-of-market independent financial advisor practice. So what that basically means is we're not tied to any particular bank or building society. We look at the whole of the market and get the right deal for the right client within their criteria at that given time. You can go to certain high street banks and they may offer you one deal, but actually going via the broker channel will actually get a more competitive deal.
You don't have that relationship with the bank manager anymore where you go and see them and they understand you and what your requirements are. Our business really sort of fills that gap where the banks have pulled out. So if anything, that market space has opened up even further for us.
With the exclusive products that are available, they're not known to the general public via going in their bank, and also with exclusive products with the amount of business that Broadland Consultants writes, we get rights to certain deals. That gives us a discount which we can pass on to the clients.
The right deal for you could depend on the amount that you're looking to borrow, in terms of perhaps a larger loan amount, or obviously if you're only looking to borrow a smaller amount, you might need a product with fewer fees. It all just depends on what suits you the best really, but ultimately having access to more than one lender is obviously a positive.
So you've found the right deal, but seriously, who has the time to slog through all of that paperwork?
Our industry is very, very heavily regulated, so it's kind of a tip of the iceberg. When we go and see the client, that's a nice bit, talking to the client, getting to know them, trying to understand what they're looking to achieve. Behind the scenes, obviously, we're a very, very regulated industry, and we need to make sure everything that we do is within that regulation and the compliance in the background there.
We'll meet you at your home or at the office, gather your documents from you, so it'll be things like your bank statements, your pay slips and your P60s, all the proof of income that we need for the lender, which takes a strain off you, so you don't have to then worry about putting things to the post or taking to the bank or anything of that nature.
So now we know that you can meet with one of the Broadland advisors face to face. You might be wondering how on earth you're going to make that trip during business hours. Well, fear not.
In terms of timescales, we can act really quickly, so we'll try and fit in with you, be it coming out to see you at your home, place of work, something like that, just to get the ball rolling on the application as quickly as possible.
Early mornings, evenings as well, so most of our appointments generally tend to be face-to-face in somebody's home. People finish their day 4 or 5 o'clock. We generally go around to see them 4 or 5 in the evening, so more than happy to do that. We understand that purchasing a property, remortgaging, investment property, whatever it may be, it's not a 5-10 minute kind of job really. So we're more than happy to spend an hour, 2 hours sometimes. I think personally my longest appointment's been about 3 hours.
We like to make things a little easier for you, or more easier than it would be going to the bank or building society, because we'll look at it from the point of view of what makes it stressful for you and make it a lot easier, and take the strain off you in that respect.
And of course, it's not just mortgages.
We cover the whole of the market. We can, as independent financial advisors, we can offer you services such as investing in ISAs, seed investment schemes. We can help people with retirement planning, and you've got the added benefit of being whole of market IFAs. We can pick the best product which is suitable exactly for you as a client. So we won't shoehorn you into any box. Whatever's suitable, we can find it out there on the market and apply that to you. The customer comes first. The customer is sovereign. We believe in making sure the customer is looked after 100% of the time, and that's what I'm passionate about.
From day one, we've always wanted to be a client-focused business, so when people come and see Broadland Consultants and use us, we want to engage with those people and see them again year after year, help them with mortgages, finance, pensions, investments as the years roll on. We're not really a business that's looking just to see a client once and then never really engage with them again.
There you go, just a glimpse at the personable and bespoke service you can expect here from Broadland Consultants. If you want to find out how we can help you, we would love to hear from you. The number and the website are on your screen now.